Hi viewers, got a quick silver and gold unboxing, well more of an unpackaging actually for you. Now I've been waiting for something, I'm not exactly sure what's in here. I've been waiting for some of these since last year, and they were, a friend was keeping hold of them in the US, waiting to forward them on with some other items that I still haven't got. Anyway, let's have a look at this, the largest one. I've got a feeling, I think we're going to need a knife for this. I've got a feeling this is a gift from one of my long-standing YouTube friends. Ah yes, it is indeed. Wishing you all the best in 2021 and beyond. It's from the Silver Shareholder, who I've known for many years, and he had a recent tragedy and lost his wife. Anyway, I'm not going to go into that. Let's see what it is he sent as a gift. Some very strong tape there. Oh, blimey. It is strong indeed. Now I think these are really new release, and I think he sent them as gifts for, shall we say, some smaller members of the family. Oh, and that one, no, that isn't what I thought it was. It's a privy kookaburra by the look of it. Well, thanks ever so much for that, Dana. That must have been a bonus. I think this is. Oh, this is what I was expecting. This one. It was very kind of him to send these. Let's have a look and see what the other one is. It is indeed the Pac-man coin. This is what I was expecting. Anyway, thank you ever so much for those. That's very kind of you. And for those of you who haven't seen, there's the Pac-man coin 2020. $2. And let's see what else was in here. I think this is actually, this is a gift from someone else as well. So long ago I can't remember who. Hopefully it tells us in the side. Hi CCT, I hope you're doing well. This is a Japan 1 yen. I had to edit that bit out because he's got his name in. I hope you're doing well. This is what it's supposed to be. Maybe you could use it in a video, and it is from, if I can hide his information, Past the Breakers. But I think he's actually changed his channel name since then anyway. Give it a thorough examination. So let's have a quick look at the coin in question. And I have no idea how I'm supposed to get into this. Oh, it looks very suspect, doesn't it? A bit like my reflection in the PVC. There's definitely got a brassy hue to that one. I'm guessing that that's the way it's supposed to be up. Not sure whether that's showing up on camera. 1 yen, 90%. But we'll give the go on the old slide in a minute with that one. Right. What else have I got in there? I said it was silver and gold. Well, there's the gold from Atmex. It is another sovereign for my sovereign stack. Let's see if we can get this sovereign to show up. And of course now the sun's coming out, and hopefully you can see the mint mark just above the date there, which says SA for South Africa. So South African gold sovereign. And George V. Anyway, happy to add another one of those. And we'll just give this a quick check on the slide and see what it does. Right, let's have a quick look. That's not too good, is it? It's not massively magnetic, but it's definitely got a magnetic content. Yeah, it's sticking to the slide. Anyway, we'll investigate that one in a future video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.